Hey everyone, today we are building a fully automated image recognition pipeline using AWS. This setup will analyze any image you upload to S3, detect its contents with Amazon Rekognition, and save the results as a JSON file. Let's get started. Step 1. Create S3 bucket and folders. First, create an S3 bucket to store your images and results. So under the search bar, type S3, click on S3, and then click Create Bucket. Choose General Purpose, and under bucket name, I'm gonna name my bucket my Image Recognition Bucket 2025. Scroll down and leave everything as a default, and click Create Bucket. Inside the bucket, create two folders, Uploads for images and Recognition results for JSON output. So click on the bucket, create folder, name the folder Uploads, scroll down and leave everything as a default, and hit Create Folder. Click on Create Folder again. Under folder name, rename Recognition Results. Scroll down and hit Create Folder. Now under your S3 bucket, you have two folders. One that we're going to use to upload the image. On the second one, we're going to view the results. Step 2. Create IAM role for Lambda. Next, create an IAM role for Lambda so it has the permissions to access S3 bucket and recognition. Under the search bar, type IAM and click on Roles and click on Create Roles. Choose AWS Service. Under Use Case, select Lambda. Click Next. Under Permission Policy, we need to give a permission to S3 Full Access. Select this. And Recognition Full Access as well. So type Recognition, Amazon Recognition Full Access. Select this. And we are going to give Lambda Basic Execution Role. Click on this one. So now we have three permission attached. Click Next. Name the role Lambda Recognition Role. Scroll down and hit Create Role. Step 3. Create Lambda function. Now we are going to create the Lambda function that will process images. Go to the search bar and type Lambda. Click on Lambda. Create a function. Choose author from scratch and give a name to your function, Lambda function. For runtime, we're gonna use the latest version of Python. Leave this one as a default. Scroll down and expand change default execution role. Scroll down and select use an existing role. Under drop down, search for your role that you just created, which is this one. And under additional configuration, you don't need to do anything, just leave it as a default and hit create function. You can close this one, we don't need it. Close this one too. And then scroll down to make sure that you are on the code tab. And under the code tab, you will see this code. Delete everything. And I built a code for that, so I'm going to paste this one. Scroll down and hit deploy. Successfully updated function. That's good. Step 4, we are going to add S3 trigger. We're going to set up an S3 trigger so Lambda runs automatically whenever an image is uploaded. So we are going to configure the trigger for the bucket. Click on Add Trigger. Under drop-down menu, type S3. Select the bucket name. Under Event type, it's already selected all object create events. Just leave it like this. And under prefix, type uploads. This is where you're going to upload the image to this folder. Then click on acknowledge that and then hit add. We're going to test the project. So we're going to upload an image to the uploads folder in your S3 bucket. After a few seconds, Lambda will process it and a JSON file with the labels and confidence score will appear in recognition results folder. So let's go back to S3 bucket. I'm gonna minimize the sidebar to have more real estate and click on your bucket and click on uploads folder that we're gonna upload the image. I'm going to resize my screen so I can show you Amazon console on the left and the image that I have in my local machine in the folder. So I will be right back. So here we go. I have my Amazon console on the left, and I have my image in this folder on the right, and you can see them. Let's double click on this one as example, and I will show you the image. This is how it looks like. And let's click on this one too. So this is just an example. What we're gonna do, we're gonna upload all this image in this S3 folder under the uploads folder, and Lambda will trigger and process the images. So I'm gonna highlight all, click and drop right here. Then click upload. I'm gonna move this folder to have more real estate and expand. Upload successful. Click close. And now we're gonna go back to the result folder. So click on bucket, then under the recognition result we should be able to see the result. So click on this one, and here we go. Lambda just process the images and save it as a JSON file. So click on the first one and click open. Here we go. The name apple, confidence is a 99%, food, fruit, plant, produce, accessories, glasses. Let me bring the image again, right, so you can compare it. So here we go. This is the image that recognition process. It's apple, fruit, accessories, glasses, pen. That's good. Let's go back to the bucket again. Click on bike or any image that you want. Hit open, and I'm gonna bring the image again right here so we have helmet, wristwatch, okay, right here, good. Person, bicycle, cycling, vehicle, footwear, shoes, and if you go down, shoe, accessories, glasses. Pretty good. Let's do the phone. Open. I'm gonna bring the image right here. Person, reading, book, publication, mobile phone, female. This is really good. And that's it. Your serverless image recognition pipeline is live. And there you have it, a fully automated system to categorize images using AWS S3, Lambda, and Rekognition. Now, before I let you go, you need to clean after yourself. So delete all the resources so you don't get additional charge. So I'm going to show you how. Then go to the bucket, click right here, hit delete, and click empty bucket, and type permanently delete and click empty. Then click on this link right here, delete bucket configuration, and type the name of the bucket. Just copy and paste and hit delete bucket. Go to IAM roles. The roles will not cost you money, but I like to clean up everything after I build any project. So search for the role that you created and delete it. So this is the one that we created, Lambda recognition role. Click on it and hit delete. Again, type the name of the role and hit delete. Then go back to Lambda. So click on right here, action, delete. Click delete. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice